Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to today's class with Mr. Slayo. All right, this is English grammar class, and our topic for today is preposition of place. Preposition of place. And at the end of the lesson, you'll be able to explain preposition. You'll be able to identify prepositions in sentences. Remember, the topic is preposition of place. All right, that's just what we still have here. Preposition of place for GREENapple School for grade 1. So now, what are prepositions? Preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun. That's just what I want you to learn, okay? Preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun. It shows relationship between words in a sentence. Now, let's look at preposition of place. Preposition of place tells you where something is. Preposition of place tells you where something is. Remember, preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun. So now, prepositions of place tells you where something is. So now you have a noun or a pronoun. So it's going to tell you where the thing, the noun or the pronoun is in a sentence. Now, let's look at these examples. We have in. Look at the mouse. The mouse is in the cage. Look at the mouse again. On the chair. Under the table. Behind. Where is the mouse? The mouse is behind the chair. Okay, so now let's look at these other examples. I want us to take a look at the apples. Yes, look at the apple. Where is the apple? The apple is between the boxes. The apple is in front of the book. The apple is behind the book. The apple is under the table, under or below. The apple is on the book. The apple is next to the book, beside. We can say next to or beside, okay? Now let's look at the chairs and the table. Look at the red chair. The red chair is to the left of the while the green chair is to the right of the table. These are examples of preposition of place. Remember, preposition of place tells you where something is. Preposition of place tells you where something is. All right, we're not going to look at the box and the green ball. You can, because we've done that example already. We are going to the sentences. So now look at this sentence. The dog is behind the postman. Look at it. The dog is behind the postman. Behind. Then in front of. The dog is in front of the man. Now look at the bones and the dog. The dog is next to the bones, or the dog is beside the bones. Now let's look at between. The bone is between the dogs. Okay, near or close to. We'll say the dog is close to the book, or the dog is near the book. Look at the next example. Above. The blue dog is above the fire hydrant. The blue dog is above the fire hydrant. Then if I want to say, so now if I want to use the word below or under can be used in for one for another, okay? So now I want to say the fire hydrant, that's the red one, is below the blue dog, okay? Now we have in. The dog is sleeping in bed, or the dog is lying down on the bed, okay? Then we have on. The dog is on the table. Thank you for listening. It's Mrs. Slayo. Do your assignment.